Correspondent inference theory is a psychological theory that explains how people decide what traits or characteristics can be inferred from someone's behaviour. Developed by Edward E. Jones and Keith Davis in the 1960s, the theory suggests that individuals analyse actions to determine whether they align with the person's internal dispositions, such as their beliefs, desires, or intentions. When observing someone's behaviour, we consider the context, consequences, and social norms to draw conclusions about their personality or motives. Essentially, this theory helps us understand how we make judgments about others based on their actions. Now let's look at some examples of correspondent inference theory in action. Imagine you see a classmate helping another student with their homework. According to the theory, you might infer that this classmate is kind or helpful, especially if they did it without any external reward, like being paid or praised. On the other hand, if a person behaves rudely at a restaurant, you might conclude that they are generally unfriendly or selfish, particularly if such behaviour was unexpected in that setting. These everyday situations show how we often use behaviours to form opinions about a person's underlying qualities. The significance of correspondent inference theory lies in its role in understanding social interactions and personal judgments. By applying this theory, we can better appreciate how we perceive others and the potential biases that influence our conclusions. It highlights the mental processes behind our social assessments, which can affect relationships and communication. Recognizing how we infer personality traits from behaviour can make us more mindful of our judgments, improving our empathy and interactions with others. Now let's look at some strengths of correspondent inference theory. One key strength is that it provides a structured way to analyse social situations, making it easier for individuals to make informed judgments about others. The theory emphasises the importance of context, which allows for a more nuanced understanding of behaviour than simple surface-level analysis. Furthermore, the theory's foundation in observable behaviour gives it practical value, as it encourages critical thinking about people's actions and motives rather than relying solely on gut feelings. Several related concepts expand our understanding of correspondent inference theory. One such concept is the fundamental attribution error, which refers to the tendency to overemphasize personal characteristics while downplaying situational factors when judging others' behavior. Additionally, social perception, which encompasses how we interpret and understand the behavior of others in social contexts, connects closely with correspondent inference theory. Both concepts underscore the complexities of human interaction and how our perceptions can be shaped by various factors, enhancing our understanding of social psychology.